Hi everyone, quick one. In today's video, I will be showing you practically a Python library called a request. It's a HTTP library that you use to make a network request. A request used to make a network request. So we'll be using this request library to pull the current value of a Bitcoin using Python programming language. So let's just dive in.
All right, let me walk you through on how to pull the current value of Bitcoin using Python request library. So first thing, let's say Python request library. Now we need to import library, but before doing that, we need to import the request library. Before doing that, you need to install it first. Just click on the terminal if you're using PyCharm, alternative F12, or just click terminal down here and do pip install request. I've already installed request on my system, so you can see requirement already satisfied. But if not done that, that will go ahead to install request library on your virtual environment depending on your setup. So I need to import request. I've talked about functions in Python programming language. So if you don't know functions in Python programming language, I'll put a video down in the description below on how I explained what function is all about in Python programming language. So let's define a function called get Bitcoin value, and it accepts no parameter, and say the URL. We're going to use CoinGecko API. I also put the link down in the description below, and the API is http api dot coingecko coingecko.com/api slash v3 slash simple slash price, and that's all. Then the next thing we need to do here is to define a params, the parameters we're going to use, that we're going to feed into this API. So our params here is a dictionary of key value pairs. So the IDs is Bitcoin, the ID is Bitcoin, then the currency, the VC underscore currency is USD, and that's all we need for our params. So we need to get a response. Response is request dot get, then the URL, and params equals params, and that's all. Params, yeah, and that's all. Then again, we need to check if the request is successful by checking if request dot status code, sorry, if response, rather, if response dot status code gives us 200. 200 means okay response. Then we assign the data, get the data to be response.json, converting it into JavaScript object notation. Then after which we need to get the Bitcoin value to be data, then Bitcoin, then the USD. This is basically dictionary in dictionary. So that's how to access it. Then you return the Bitcoin value. If the Bitcoin value does not exist, then we return none. Yeah, that's that. Then again, what we need to do is to describe, call the function, and let's carry on the execution. The value is get Bitcoin, call the function, and returns either the value or none. Then we then check if value is not none. If the value is not none, then we print out that, let's give a formatted approach of this, the current value of Bitcoin is, then value. Yeah, that's that. Then else print failed to get Bitcoin value, or something that just look for a nice error message and display they failed to get Bitcoin value. And that's that. So let's run and check if that works as expected. Executing it, you can see it's taking longer. Yeah, perfect. The current value of Bitcoin is this, and perfect. That's how to do that. So if you found this video useful, just do us well by liking this video, commenting what you like about this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I release a new video. If you were able to do this, push this to your GitHub repo and drop the link down in the comment section below. Let's see what you've done. I love collaboration. Stay safe, guys.